The age of artificial intelligence and the uncertain future of work. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept confined to research laboratories or speculative fiction. It is a powerful technology, rapidly integrating into everyday life, reshaping industries at an unprecedented pace. From global corporations to small businesses, AI-driven tools are being deployed to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and support. As this transformation accelerates, young people entering the job market find themselves at a historical turning point. They are witnessing the very technologies that help them succeed becoming potential replacements for their own roles. A new Harvard Youth poll reveals an important insight into how younger generations view this shift. The results show a complex mix of fear, dependence, uncertainty, and adaptation. Young Americans acknowledge the benefits that artificial intelligence brings to their academic and professional lives, yet they simultaneously worry that these innovations could eliminate their future career opportunities. This tension defines what many are calling the modern AI paradox, rising job anxiety among young Americans. The Harvard survey included 2,040 individuals between the ages of 18 and 29 in the United States. The results indicate that a significant portion of young adults see artificial intelligence as a major threat to their professional futures. 59% believe AI poses a direct threat to future employment. 48% view outsourcing jobs overseas as a concern. 31% worry that immigration could influence job availability. 23% believe AI does not pose any job-related risk. These numbers reflect a broad recognition that job roles requiring repetition or predictable routines are increasingly being automated. Young workers see that tasks once completed by entry-level employees are now performed faster, cheaper, and more consistently by AI-driven systems. For students preparing to enter the workforce, the message is clear. Traditional paths to employment may no longer guarantee job security or even job availability. By partisan concern, political divisions disappear in a country known for strong political polarization. The fear of AI replacing jobs is one of the few issues that reveals clear bipartisan alignment. The survey found that 66% of Democrats, 59% of Republicans share the same concern that AI will negatively affect their careers. Economic uncertainty, the ability to support oneself, and the stability of future employment overshadowed traditional political disagreements. The fear of losing economic identity and independence has become a shared experience among young professionals, regardless of ideology. Evidence in reality. Layoffs driven by automation. Concerns about AI are grounded in observable market trends. Over the past year, corporations such as Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Meta, and numerous additional companies across the technology sector and beyond have conducted large-scale layoffs. In public statements, executives have openly acknowledged that AI automation and restructuring for efficiency are major factors behind these decisions. Roles involving customer service, data processing, software testing, content moderation, administrative tasks, and technical support are being increasingly handled by automated platforms. The shift is already visible in career paths once considered stable or essential. As young workers watch growing headlines about layoffs driven by AI adoption, their fears are strengthened by real-world evidence. Continued dependency on AI tools despite fear. Although young people worry deeply about the disruptive potential of it, their daily behavior shows heavy reliance on the same technology they fear. The survey shows 35% of participants use large language models like ChatGPT and Claude on a regular basis. 52% trust AI tools to assist with or complete school assignments. Many who do not use AI daily still admit to turning to it for important tasks. Artificial intelligence has become a central educational and productivity tool. Students use AI for research, writing help, tutoring, creative assistance, and technical problem solving. It saves time, improves results, and offers instant access to information and explanations that were once much harder to obtain. Thus, even those who fear AI's long-term impact consider it necessary for their short-term success. To keep up in academics and competitive workplaces, they feel they must use AI even while worrying that its growing capability might eventually make their own capabilities irrelevant. Concerns over meaningful work. Beyond the fear of job loss, The younger generation is increasingly concerned about the emotional and personal value of work itself. For decades, career development has been tied to self-worth, identity, and a sense of contribution to society. Yet younger Americans now question whether future careers will still provide fulfillment. According to the poll, 41% believe AI will make work less meaningful in the future. Only 14% believe AI will create more rewarding or fulfilling work environments. These statistics show that economic anxiety is accompanied by a deeper existential worry. The concern is not only whether jobs will exist, but whether they will still hold purpose. Many fear a future in which creativity and problem-solving are increasingly delegated to AI, leaving humans with roles that feel inferior or subordinate to machines. The fear is not simply about unemployment. It is about losing the human essence of working life, the core conflict. A generation caught between necessity and risk. The Harvard Youth Poll highlights the internal struggle facing young Americans today. Artificial intelligence helps them. Artificial intelligence threatens them. They rely on it for learning, productivity, and performance. Yet they dread its growing influence. The pressure to adapt to new technological tools is unavoidable, but it comes paired with the realization that those same tools may outgrow the need for human involvement. In practical terms, AI is accelerating opportunity. AI is accelerating replacement. Young people must adopt AI to remain competitive, even though doing so may increase the speed at which traditional roles become automated. Educational and career path disruption. Another significant factor contributing to this anxiety is the fear that the fields students invest in today may become obsolete tomorrow. Traditional education systems have not kept up with the rapid pace of AI development. Students now see skills they are currently studying already being performed more efficiently by intelligent software. Questions emerge. If AI can code software, what happens to new software engineers? If AI can generate articles, what is the future of journalism? If AI can identify diseases, what becomes of medical diagnosis roles? If AI can automate design, what happens to creative industries? The lack of a clear answer intensifies uncertainty about which careers will remain viable. A workforce entering a new economic era. Experts have predicted that up to 80% of job roles could be affected by AI-driven automation in some capacity. The shift will not only replace certain jobs, but also change the structure of work itself. Future workplaces may look very different, with fewer employees, more automation, and increasing reliance on algorithms to manage planning and young workers understand they're witnessing the foundation of a new economic era, where traditional assumptions about jobs, stability, career progression, and human value are being Conclusion: the AI tension that will define a generation. The findings of the Harvard Youth Poll reveal a generation living in a constant state of contradiction. Young people fear the loss of employment, identity, and meaning due to artificial intelligence. At the same time, they embrace AI technology because it is essential for keeping up with growing expectations in school and work. Artificial intelligence represents both the path forward and the greatest obstacle ahead. This is the defining tension of the modern era. AI is the most powerful tool young people have ever had access to. AI is also the most powerful force threatening their future. Whether AI ultimately empowers or displaces, the next generation will depend on how society chooses to integrate human values into technological progress. For now, young adults must continue navigating a world where the tools that make them more capable may also test their relevance. The outcome of this paradox will shape labor, identity, and the meaning of work for the decades to come.